Gentlemen, hello and welcome to Crypto Space. So in today's video we are going to cover Solana and what are my personal humble price prediction for Solana. So before we are going to start, let's quickly have a look at crypto bubbles. As you can see on a daily time frame, we are currently up 12.12% with Filecoin, BSV up 6.7 and MKR 6.5, and the rest of the coins are pretty much retracing, but that obviously is healthy, nothing to be worried about, because if we are going to look at weekly, as you can see over here, more and more, and especially on the monthly, we are pretty much up in everything. So obviously a bit of a red in the ocean of crypto is healthy. All right, and let's have a look at Solana. We are currently trading at $102. We are currently sitting at $44 billion in our in Solana's market cap, and 24-hour trading volume is at $1,816 million. All right, and so let's have a look what happened over here in the last 24 hours. As you can see, we are going sideways. However, I would like to show you a bit of a news before I'm going to compare it into Ethereum in terms of market cap, sorry. So let's have a look at here. Solana's December's DEX volume breaks 28 billion. See that, guys? So that is very bullish for Solana, and that is just a beginning of a bull cycle. All right, then let's have a look over here. As we traverse into 2024, the trajectory of Solana becomes a pivotal question for the cryptocurrency market. A glance of the Solana chart reveals strong growth followed by a recent price phase of correction. So obviously that is very normal, very healthy that we are experiencing correction. All right, and let's have a look firstly over here to DeFi Llama, and we are going to look at the charts very soon. First of all, one thing that I would like to point out is our total value locked. We are currently at $2.2 billion, so obviously that's a good thing. But if we are going to look over here at fees, as you can see over here in the depths of our previous bull market, we saw fees generating. So the top was, I believe, $267,000 in terms of fees. But have a look how much we are generating now. We are generating pretty much double, and the price still haven't really responded to that. We are generating huge fees, and this is just a beginning. As you can see over here, the total volume locked is constantly growing. Obviously we are seeing a bit of dip in terms of TVL, but that is nothing in comparison to what is going to come. And as we can see over here, the volume is constantly growing. So if I'm going to zoom it in, it's going to be visible much more. Can you see over here that huge volume and fees that we are generating, and the price still isn't close to its all-time high? I personally do believe that we are going to do 2x from our all-time high. Of course, we might make more, not a financial advice, and we possibly can see less than that. But all right, then let's have a look quickly to the charts. Okay, so as we can see over here, that is a weekly time frame on Solana, and we've pretty much hit $124 on the local top over here for 2023, and we got rejected over here. However, we might get supported over here at price levels of $93, and RSI is currently at 76. As you can see over here, that RSI is very similar to what was happening in the previous bull cycle, so I wouldn't be surprised if we are going to retest this line of support over here and probably bounce back. All right, and if I'm going to pull out a Madrid ribbon over here, as you can see, first time ever since the previous bull cycle we flipped a green on a ribbon. Of course, that isn't going to indicate any further dips, but that is something to look out for. And now let's have a look quickly at dominance to see where we are getting in with dominance. As you can see over here, we have reached our all-time high, and we've pretty much surpassed our all-time high in terms of dominance. That is very important. As you can see over here, Solana is dominating the market, and now we are retracing in terms of market dominance. That is a weekly time frame for a dominance, so that candle is going to close in 6 days. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to keep you updated in Solana. So if we are going to still keep above that line of resistance, that is very good and bullish for Solana. However, I wouldn't be surprised if we are going to go a bit lower. All right, then let's have a look over here on a daily time frame. As you can see over here, we smashed that line of resistance, and we got pushed back down. However, we are retesting this resistance at the moment and going sideways in terms of market cap. All right, and let's come back to Solana itself, and let's change to 3-day time frame. And as you can see over here on the 3 daily time frame, RSI is at 73, which is overbought territory. Too much of momentum went into Solana, and that is pretty much unhealthy in terms of money. Obviously, there is going to be a bit of selling pressure. You know, Solana did already 10x, so that's something that we can expect. Many people, you know, did like lots of money already on Solana, so they don't really need to wait for $250–500 price levels, because they are happy with what they've got. All right, so let's have a look at the ribbon over here. As you can see over here, we are not flipping a red, so that's good. However, I wouldn't be surprised if we are going to retest this resistance at 92. Let me have a look quickly what that drop would be. There will be another drop of 7%. And let's have a look at the daily over here. As you can see, guys, we are going sideways, and price is being pushed lower and lower, so we could possibly expect further downside. All right, then guys, let's have a look now at Ethereum market cap and Solana market cap. Obviously, Solana is announced as a Ethereum killer, etc, etc. However, I think, in my personal humble opinion, Solana is just better. But all right, let's have a look at the top market cap for Ethereum. So in the depths of the bull market, we were sitting at $560 billion for Ethereum in terms of market cap. And if we are going to look at Solana now, we are going to max it out. So as you can see over here, we had 75 billion in terms of market cap in the peak of the bull cycle, right? So if we would do 5x from that, that would put Solana price at $500 and the market cap at $375 billion. So that is something possible. I believe that's something very realistic, perhaps $600 for Solana in a peak. However, if we are going to take more bullish scenario, we can expect Solana being at $750 billion in terms of market cap. That will be 10x from now, which would put Solana token at $1,000 per coin. So, well, I know that everybody's anticipating that like 1 or 2, perhaps even 3K. But if we are going to look realistically, we would have to surpass Ethereum in its market cap quite a bit. So let me down in the comments if you think this is realistic for us to reach $1,000 in your personal opinion. All right, then guys, thanks a lot for watching today's update. Make sure to subscribe and like the content. I will keep you updated. All right then, peace and love, crypto.